So I have a really cool Rode Wireless Go and Wireless Go 2 charger from Telesin. And spoiler, if you have Rode wireless mics, well, you're gonna want this. So let me show you how, because it's super simple and we could probably do this in 30 seconds. I thought I had the mics in there, but I didn't. That'd look better. So this charger from Telesin, it has a rugged travel design that Telesin likes to use, and it's made out of ABS material, which is fire resistant and flame retardant. It has an internal 4,000 milliamp hour battery, and the internal battery will charge up all 3 devices up to 2.5 times. You can charge this thing up with the included USB-C cable. It has 18 watt 2-way fast charging, but because it's 2-way, you can actually plug in something else that has USB-C on it and charge that device as well. If you have the Wireless Go 2, you have space for both transmitters and receiver. It all fits great, and you shut it and it locks in place, so you don't have to worry about them falling out accidentally. And it only weighs about 300 grams. And for this system, it comes in around $50 with my discount code, so do check out that down in the description. And time is up. And basically we've covered everything here. It's a really good system if you have the Rode Wireless Go or Go 2. You need this. This is gonna be very helpful for you. I highly recommend it. But thanks so much for watching this 30-second Thursday video. So much more happening on this channel, so stay tuned. See you next time.
Let's triple A.